Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home and doing your homework regularly. I hope you have all read the poem very carefully, which was read in the last video, and you have also understood it well. So let's start with its exercise now. We are going to do first the word meanings. First one, snowball, a ball made up of a snow. Second one, perfect, very accurate. These two word meanings you have to write on your fair notebooks. And if you have not the fair notebooks, then you have to write it on rough notebooks. Okay, second one we will do here, tick the correct answer. Here are the optional question in which you are given the three options and you have to tick any one. So, what did the poet make for himself? Paper boat, paper ball, या snowball? And the answer is snowball. Second one, the poet let the snowball sleep with him, play with him, and dance with him. So, what did the poet let? Sleep with him. The answer is sleep with them. Next one is answer the following questions. So, first one, what did the poet think about the snowball? Poet ने क्या सोचा था snowball के बारे में? The poet thought that he would keep snowball as his pet. पोइट क्या चाहता था कि वो उसे अपने पेट की तरह रखेगा. सेकेंड वन, वॉट डिड द पोइट डू फॉर स्नोबॉल्स कम्फर्ट? स्नोबॉल के कम्फर्ट के लिए उसने क्या किया था? द पोइट मेड सम पजामाज एंड अ पिलो. पोइट ने क्या बनाया था? एक तो पजामाज बनाए थे और क्या बनाया था? पिलो उसके सर के नीचे रखने के लिए ताकि उसे आराम मिल जाए. थर्ड वन, इन वॉट कंडीशन डिड द स्नोबॉल लीव द पोइट्स बेड? तब उसका बेड कैसा हो गया था पोइट का जब स्नोबॉल चली गई थी? सो द पोइट्स बेड वॉज वेट व्हेन स्नोबॉल लेफ्ट. जब स्नोबॉल चला गया था तब जो पोइट का बेड था वो पूरी तरह से भीग चुका था. So now we are going to complete the stanzas here. Complete the following stanzas. I thought I would keep it as a pet. So the answer which I have done, it is only I have taken from the poem. Keep it as a pet. These are the poem lines which are given to you. So you have to read the poem and see that from where they have taken, and similarly you have to complete that. And let it sleep with me, made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Next one, write two pairs of rhyming word from the poem and also write one more rhyming word for each pair. तो दो राइमिंग वर्ड्स हमने जो पोएम में से लेने हैं और एक हमने अपनी तरफ से लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट वन, बी एंड मी इज टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम एंड सी बाय माई सेल्फ. Similarly, head and bed is taken from the poem and sad is taken by myself. So next is the activity zone. These are the two activities. One is ये बताना है कि बॉल को बनाने के लिए हमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें चाहिए, उन पे आपने टिक करना है. And the second one is you have to color this picture beautifully. I hope you have understood it all and you will complete your work. And the work which you have to do on your notebook, I'll send you a picture. Thank you.